In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace text, and we're going to be using the substitute command. So what we have here in column G, we have the phone numbers, and the way the data was entered, we've got some of them have a number 1 in front of them, which is inconsistent with the others. So basically we want to remove the 1 and the hyphen. So even though we're using something called substitute that replaces existing text with new text, keep in mind that even a space is considered text. We just can't visually see it. So we're going to replace the 1 and the minus with nothing. So let's go ahead and get started, and just like before, we're going to create a new column, and then we'll just go ahead and move that column heading over. So we're going to go up to the text group, and we're going to use substitute. And you've got 4 arguments, 3 are required. So the first one, text, it's the text or the cell containing the text in which you want to substitute something. So we're going to click on the first phone number. Now even though this first phone number does not have the text that we want to remove in it, we're still going to use it anyway on all of them, just in case something were to come up that we didn't see if we had a lot of records. So now we're going to say, okay, what's the old text we want to get rid of that's in here? I want to get rid of, and I've got to use quotes on this, quote 1 minus quote. So in other words, I'm trying to get rid of those first 2 characters. So I indicate those first 2 characters in the old text argument. And then it says, all right, that's what you want to get rid of. What do you want to replace it with? I don't want to replace it with anything. But this is a required argument because it is in bold. So I have to do quote, quote. We'll just put nothing there. So now let's go ahead and click OK. And now you can see that we got rid of the, well, you can't tell in this one, but you will when we copy it down, that we got rid of the 1 and the minus in those 3. Now at this point, because this is a formula, I still have to copy and then keep the same cell selected and paste values. All right. That way now they're actually numbers instead of a formula, and then we just delete the old one, and that's how you use substitute.